Okay, this is Steven, MrSettin007, working on the Volkswagen Phaeton. Yep. Well, many of you may be on here knowing that you may have a young child, newly got their license, and misjudging when driving by cars that might be sticking out a little bit. Sometimes we have those streets that are somewhat thin. So unfortunately my son hit the windshield. I'm sorry. Hit the side mirror and totally destroyed it, or shattered it basically. So thankfully I was able to get another replacement, but you're gonna have to peel this off slowly but surely. See that? This piece goes in here. We got some hooks around here. This piece got popped off here. This is a heated mirror, as well as I think it has the dimming feature as well. So I'm going to replace it with an OEM piece, but it's used. So thankfully, let me see if I can get this piece here. I want to make sure that I can get it. There we go. So I have this one here. I'm going to replace. This goes here. So let's replace this piece by piece. So that's okay. This is oh man, I look sexy. But this is a easy click out and clip on for the mirror. Actually, let me pull this back out and clip this in here so that stays in there. Well, it's supposed to stay. Must be missing a piece. Let's see. Yeah, so again, okay, so this piece is missing on mine. Oh, it's outside. This is for the Volkswagen Phaeton. It can be the V8, it can be the V12. Alright, that piece is a little spacey. But some of these parts are still available. You can still get them. Whether it's used or more than likely used. I mean, new is going to be an arm and a leg, I'm sure. Alright, so that's in. That's going to stay in here. Now this is going to clip in this piece here. You see that? And then these pieces are going to clip around here to clip on the side. So I try and get that piece in first. And then, boom. And it's perfect. Right back. So now you see it, now you don't. Alright? And don't be too hard on the children. They're not doing it on purpose. Thankfully, it's a learning lesson. And we hope that they continue to pay attention and learn about proper etiquette on the road, giving space to other vehicles. Let's see how this thing works. Make sure that let me put it on. There you go, it's moving. We got it back. Beautiful. Alright, so make sure you like and subscribe, people. See, this is when the film inside the glass is destroyed because it's a heated mirror. It changes, I believe, with the daytime and nighttime. So once it's broken, the filaments behind it escape and it changes color. Alright, so thankfully that wasn't too bad. You can get these on various places. Make sure you like and subscribe. MrSettin007. Peace.